So the biohazard cleanup is a very special niche service. We get calls all the time from customers that said, hey, we called a maid service and they came in and they said they won't touch this. Or carpet cleaning companies, a lot of them have really put their foot down on cleaning carpets that have any kind of biohazards on them. So usually it's because one, they don't have the right equipment. Two, those companies are not certified or properly trained. You know, OSHA has very strict rules on when employees of a company are put in a situation where they can deal with biohazards. They have to have a very specific list of certifications and trainings and then retrainings, all of which we do here at Scene Clean. And really, too, is the experience level. You know, carpet cleaners, they might be a mom and pop service that comes and says, yeah, I can come clean your carpet, and thinking that they're doing a good job, and when they leave, the spot might be gone, but the reality is underneath, if it went through the back of the pad or the back of the carpet down into the pad, it'll start to come back up after a few hours. So we have done enough of these to know that, hey, that's something that can't be cleaned, so it really should be pulled. So again, it really just, I mean, you wouldn't go to a podiatrist for a sore throat. So call the right professionals from the start.